Shout out to my ex!
You just give it. Give it.
They're like gladiators. Dami na nila.
There's a fight. There's a fight.
That is the golden city of God.
Kumusta kayo nga? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Maayong buntag. We are at NEWISRAEL. To be honest, I don't know much about it, and we're gonna learn this place together, right? See, look, this is the place. They're known for their monkeys here, so look, check this out.
What the heck? Yo, monkey.
Look at one of the monkeys. His arm was lost.
Where?
Only one hand.
Where?
Never mind.
This
You
one?
know how to open that.
Walang arm?
Yan oh.
Yo, what happened to your arm, bro?
You know how to open.
Grabe.
Kuya Igor, musta? Peter, what up?
Actually, they call all the monkeys here Mike.
Mike!
Look, there's a baby right there. Look, show the baby. Show the baby.
What are the attractions here in NEWISRAEL? Alright, we have to talk about facts.
Actually, in Israel, they have zip line. One of the longest province.
Ah, okay.
1.3 kilometer and a 1 kilometer. But today, it's closed.
What's the mic? The alpha male. And then he brought his little kid. Franco, you wanna be in the vlog? Yeah. He was mean mugging, yo. Do we still have more food for the monkey?
Look at them.
Oi,
No,
see. Oi.
You just give it. Give it. Oh,
Oi,
see?
they crawl on you, yo. Check this out. We're gonna give these monkeys a cracker. Look. Oi, jump. Oi. Oi. One more.
Even you're Mike.
Oi. What the? Oh my gosh, yo, there's so much. Diba? May
Yup.
leader sila.
The big...
Tapos,
Lasa yung leader nila.
fun fact actually, yung main leader nila, they actually have this election thing, diba? Where one leader gets challenged by
Yes.
another, and if the leader loses, the leader gets outcasted. That's
Actually,
crazy. The leader has many battle scars kasi they actually fight till the death. They're like gladiators. Look, ang dami na nila.
Grabe. Grabe, Chris, see?
If you like to give
Give peanuts.
Oy,
to the
peanuts.
monkey,
Ah, salamat
get
po. Anong pangalan mo
like
po?
that. Mike,
No, ikaw po.
ay Rosita
Rosita.
Pitogo.
Oy.
I'm
Bro.
entertainer in Mount Apo, Makilala.
Ah,
It's like the guide.
Ate Rosita yung guide natin.
Go.
Yeah. What the? Yo, rated R. There's some monkeys mating right now too, so they brought their whole clan over here, yo.
So that's the leader.
You can tell it's the leader because it's the biggest one. There's a fight.
He's the leader over there. Wait, that looks like a leader then.
It's a big monkey.
So,
1924 ako din nag-abot. Papa Guibernas, nagdala sa unggoy gikan sa Cebu. Tulo ka buok ba? Ang lalaki, ang babae, isa, tatlo, ang lalaki, isa.
okay.
Hantod karon, daghan na sila. Wala na nabaligya eh. Karon si Papa Guibernas nilakaw na ang attender si Suprema, ang iya anak, si Lovely Paraiso, mo'y gapakaon. Ako ang gibutang ni Papa Guibernas sa makalangit niya, naga-entertain sang tanan nga climber sa Mount Apo.
Ah, okay.
O,
Yeah, and
pagbuhat
Mount
sa
Apo,
Balaya,
yeah.
1975 dito na ko. But I'm only grade 4, sir. I
Ah.
have no grade.
Oh, it's okay lang. To be honest, I didn't really understand a lot of that, so I'm gonna summarize what she said because I'm not sure.
Is
The religion of NEWISRAEL is Alpha and Omega.
Alpha
The
Omega.
beginning and the end, the first and the last.
It's like my tattoo, beginning and the end. What do you guys think of the monkeys?
So cool. I haven't seen
Lost
like a pack of monkeys this much.
Five
fathers
fathers.
in the earth.
Jesus
Jesus.
Christ,
So,
Dr. Rizal, Papa Lorenzo de los Reyes, Master Moncado, Papa Guibernas. The daughter is Lovely Paraiso, is the owner of NEWISRAEL.
This is interesting. It's a different world out here, man.
Kuya, explain yung taho.
Taho
Ano
is
yung taho?
soy. So this is the soy. Then we put tapioca, milk, then caramel syrup or brown sugar. We call it the first Filipino Boba pearls.
Let's taste this taho. Yeah, it smells pretty sweet because there's a lot of caramel. It's good. Warm, it's sweet. And the tofu balances the sweetness. Taho. Cheers. Guys, there's a monkey that can talk, yo.
We can go up there.
Hello. Yeah, so this zipline is really long. Look, check this. This place isn't too big. I think they only have that big structure over there. Go check it out. I'm really disappointed that the zipline is closed. But maybe next time, we could go check it out. But yeah, let's go. Let's keep exploring the place. You and I were exploring this together. So I gotta pull you out Ooh, you guys are right here with me, man. Didn't get to do a lot of research. My friend Kuya Igor just said, are you down to come? And I said, yeah, let's do it. Yeah, it's so hard to make travel vlogs just because of COVID and all that, but that's what I'm trying to do. Local travel vlogs in the meantime. But then I swear once the lockdown and everything is done, I'm gonna make sure that I take you everywhere with me, alright? Doing like some kind of painting over there. What's the significance of them painting?
Like it represents their religion.
That is the golden city of God.
The golden city of God.
Yeah. Where is the golden city of God? Here in Mindanao.
They're very, very religious here.
The meaning is the equality, fraternity, brotherhood.
Equality, fraternity, and brotherhood.
Yeah.
They're pretty hardcore over here where they don't drink, they don't smoke, they don't do any of that stuff. They're pure. They're super pure.
That's why I should belong here. I don't have vices. I don't drink. I don't smoke.
Ako din. Mike isn't pure, you know. Can't live here, Mike.
Be evicted here.
So those are the locals of New Israel. You can actually pass through this place to get up to Mount Apo, which I said in my Sitio Mauput vlog, where it was the highest, tallest mountain here in the Philippines. Mountain/volcano. Let's keep going and see what else. Franco, are you a monkey, Franco? You come to New Israel and then you go on this trail right here, which is right next to that rainbow structure that we saw earlier. Right now we're on our way to an overlooking pass, a steep hill, a little bit very rocky. You're just surrounded by nature here. I can't believe they have their own civilization here, totally separated and secluded from the outside world. That's fascinating to me, man.
These are red lawaan trees, one of the most expensive trees. Nana is saying that they planted this back in 1974. Look at them now.
They're expensive. So the paradise view, or the view where we're supposed to have the overlook pass at, it's closed, but we're just gonna fly the drone instead and see what else is over there, you know? So I'm gonna fly the drone. As you guys saw, we can't go in because this place is actually close to the public, so this is gonna be a good place for Instagram photos and all that. I think we might come back though, right, Peter? Yeah, we'll come back.
Once they're open.
Once we come back, I'm gonna make sure to show the zip line, then those Instagram spots over there in the top. Ah, you're Ilonggo pala po?
Yeah.
Ata said that Mindanao is the land of the promise because there's a lot of unexploited places here, like New Israel.
If you want to live at peace and a serene place, this is one of the best, I think, in my opinion.
I agreed in.
Especially because people here, they don't have vices.
Yeah, this is the purest place. No gambling, no smoking, no drinking. Because if you do, I heard you get sacrificed. Michael will be the first to get sacrificed. You'll go second.
Igor will go third.
Yeah, I'll be the fourth because I'm the most pure out of all of them. So this is the temple here, look. You see that? Mindanao, land of promise. Welcome. Let's go down now, guys. I think that's the end of New Israel. I think the next time we're gonna come back is when they open up everything, the Instagrammable spots, the zip line. That's the most important ones. Just a teaser, right, Peter?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go to the end na. Anong pangalan mo?
Shirley Kalimpong po sa vlog.
Ikaw, kuya. Romy, sige. Oh, yung tour guide?
Ana Nakinis.
Salamat Nice to meet you. Sige, salamat. Peter.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Salamat. Sobrang nice sila. Every morning they
For
do
the
like
flag ceremony, and they have to recite those.
they have to
written.
recite that. It's crazy, huh? Sige. Punta tayo.
Thank
you po. Salamat. God bless.
Salamat po. Salamat.
What did you think of that, Mike?
It's a great community.
Yeah, I love it. Love the
Yeah.
place.
Simple living.
It's serene.
Ikaw, kuya.
Think of Michael.
Mike! Yeah, they're all Mike. Hopefully we get to visit the place again. Thank you for coming along with me. I think that's it for today's vlog. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, share this video with your family and friends. Here's the shout outs, and we'll see you in the next one, right? Peace.
Councilor Catherine.
Councilor Catherine, thank you for letting us in.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Katniel.
Thank you.
Makilala Municipality.
Shout out
to my mom. Hi, mom.
Helen Tan. Shout out to my ex. You
Didilig na
really
umuulan.
got it. You make my heart feel like you never were. You'll never bring me down.
Peace.
Pero karon